Now, at the local government collation center, because elsewhere, Ighodalo had won the whole of Edo South everywhere. What they did, they left and went straight, asked people that they cannot collect at the local government level. Look at the way they've mounted this place like it's a military regime, dictatorship, put police, put soldiers at the end. God is for tricks them to bring their resources to come and collect here. Yeah. The wreck himself is collecting. The collection officers are not collecting nothing. The wreck himself is collecting in Nigeria. This is Tinubu's democracy. Without allowing why did they allow us to go through the process of electionary campaign? He would have just appointed the government as president. His power is next to God.
We want to turn our state to APC state where there's hardship everywhere. And then it's not Lagos. Yeah, it's not APC state. Oh.
Was this country this bad? You don't have
it was not that was leading first subsidy that now the people cannot even eat. You think they're doing Lagos. We brought a resource and say we cannot put it in. We should go back.
You allow no way.
You know, the police is your friend.
You have no problem with the police.
Some things have to go to announce by
we did elections. Those citizens voted today. After the voting, results were counted and collected at the wards. Of the 18 local governments, elsewhere had won over 15. What they did, Oshomola using them, the man who came to be a labor person, who through labor became governor, think that they have fought through struggles, stayed back in Edo North. They did not vote in Edo North. They were printing in all the places. Esako West, Esako East, part of everything. Even in my local government, they were even printing some places. Now, they have no way of getting people to stop to seize the votes. The next thing they did, they left, took the people from our collation centers, which is the local government collation centers, and they brought them here. The wreck himself locked all PDP agents outside, and with only the APC agents, the wreck is changing the results. So why did we have to go through the process of elections? I am the DG of the campaign. I have other things to do myself. I have to do that campaign for 5-6 months.
Your children.
Do you understand?
Then a man campaigns vigorously and wins an election, and you want to change it here in the democracy. This is not dictatorship. The military regime, we didn't see this. On the Edo State, if your policies are favorable to Nigerians rejected them through the vote today. What happened today in Edo State is a referendum that Nigerians have rejected the APC-led government.
So they are not supposed to be collecting these results here.
The results are supposed to be collected. Every local government has a local government collation result of the state. What is it? Because these three local governments, AI swept them overwhelmingly. They never scored up to 20% vote in any of the wards in these areas.
We sit out here. We sit out here. They refuse them to enter where they are collecting.
What happened to Adamawa? What happened to Adamawa? No right to collect.
They have no right to collect. Without the agents there, how?
A rec can't even collect.
He has no right to
I've never
collect.
heard that before.
The last one, there is.
I got a place I should go.
Adamo, the
I
last
go
one.
back to your
Now,
work.
if what wicked did
Where
that
is he?
cast
I've run
labor
away.
results for Tinubu, they want to do that same thing in the state. They never work. They want to come and let them start. If they don't stay,
This year.
if they don't stay, people will kill us. Tomorrow they will see all the crowd. They will see what going to keep through. Tomorrow you supposed to be ready.
They can't announce any results.
You should not be ready to. No, it's changing there.
They want to do midnight announcement.
They came with
This
resources.
is like- you think it's what you do for people you do.
that
I don't know
should
be
not be
Lagos.
there, oh.
I don't know be Nigeria. You can't
Yeah.
try it. Once they announced in the midnight, they gave you returning certificates in the middle of the night.
He will pay with his life.
Who does that?
Since you want to ruin people's life.
He's from Rivers State. What he's doing here? Can they do it in Rivers State?
How can they try it?
What he's doing here? Can they do it in Lagos State? Because
No.
he has chickens.
They can't do
Kano.
it.
How will they try it?
Can't
Can
do
you
the
tell me
State.
Kano State?
All these policemen fear don't go finish.
You come and mount as if it's war. There's war, it's a piece of war. Try your hands there. I try and say you need when they need help. I told you, I said if you come and see, you will not believe the amount of amount. Electoral vote. They will not be kidnapped. You said you see that they kill them every day. Slaughter Nigerians like meat. So you have all this and all this arms this point. Don't say you have power.
What do you say?
Now civilians are working now.
Wait for 5 a.m.
You can do. Whether you be able to go, you'll be able to subdue them. Let us see. Let us see. I give you my result. I cannot carry my result in. For what? For what? Am I to hand it over to you? There are laws about elections.
It's not funny. But what if it's tough? Not why you? We will die in this place. In this place. Oh God.
Yeah.
You go out to number when I go ready. Come.
Exactly.
Tear gas. Let them bring tear gas. Anything they like, make them bring.
Very corrupt people.
But the hunger within Nigeria now, is this life? Is this life?
It's not life at all.
It's not life.
It's so annoying.
If not that you are stealing, how you living? Is this life? They want to use is they don't want to use to sacrifice. They don't want to sacrifice. You have all these ammunition that are killing Nigerians every day like meat, slaughtering them everywhere. If they do election, you want to come and show of force. Show of force, my son.
Look at the APC. Look at one of the APC. Come here.
APC again, Tabi?
Yes, I know one of the APC.
Let you stop it now.
Come here!
Where is APC?
Where the road they go now?
Which APC again?
They can come in and believe as a police.
Is that not an APC agent?
Buy information. Bank of us. What are how much are they paying you? How much are they paying you?
They are paying for your
Okay, then I think I'm going to go watch my son.
You are let to oppress one.
Bank of us. One are quitting. Go to commit massacre.
Who's best people?
The people will die more.
This was when they dropped me. I cannot pass here. At this point, so I didn't hand over to anybody.
So you go back to
I should go back to my resort. Jacaranda resort. You want to go and manufacture? They have already manufactured. You want to impose or not? You not go happen for it though. Wow. You not go happen. I don't know be Lagos. So
This work also. I'm not a nice tax.
Oh, no, you're not going to stand alive. This is that one. If it's supposed to stand, you go in. APC agents are allowed. It's not collection that said that it's collection. They will not need to collect that. All the anything. You can't go in. No. All this money. Como fé, tu não vai. Mora top, como fé, não vai lá que fala. Ele o nani já. Não, quero ver com isso. Não, como. Ele toca de campanha. Acaba de ver. Inside. Hope I don't get away from sweat.
Only 3 local government like
as we speak, they are doing the same thing now. They are inflating cost now. Philip Saibus, from the information I got, someone like go ahead, because it don't work. They incorporated all of them. Someone like go ahead, or someone has got to start ballot papers and taken them to the election center now. Never called us. The party members have called us to balance the interest they want to start here. They want to kill this state. They cannot kill it. This is our state. This is the only state we have. They have other states. They can live in their state, but they won't kill this state in our presence. They have put that money to spend. Not straight to get our blood. How much you just shop for us? Tomorrow, we'll write those 5,000. We'll have 5,000. 5,000. Yeah, yes, sir. Yeah, yeah. But this go by. Nobody will pass through this street anywhere. Yeah, just here. Too busy. You let me. Now, this money to someone come and are popular in the election. Popular. We're paying voters with 10,000 or 20,000.
I don't know who they stop. Let's stop.
Terrorist full bush. Terrorist full bush.
What did you have to do? If you can't, nobody wants to.
You know how much the promise to
Who know the bad rights?
How you did?
I don't believe it. He said, don't. They still say, oh, the gate of Western West, no, they allow them to enter. Now they carry our from there. Carry just go back everywhere. You can go straight. Just get the apple. You know, imagine, God president, don't be a bad life. No, they own the bad for it. No, that is bad. As a class, so not be slave yet. Not be bad for it. You reach your house where they sleep on garbage. What?
Don't see them now. What's up?
You won't tell me which one. No.
Stop, turn your camera, turn your camera.
You not go work. You not go work for any of them.
Excuse me.
Yes.
Well, excuse me. This is I'm not sir. I'm not asking you. That I'm the one that. Wait. Just go inside. Welcome. Where are you going from? Okay, go. Where the other guy? You are going. Wait.
They don't allow that. They don't put inside that's what they gave you for the sign. So they put their politics is different for it. What is that?
You come with all the agent.
Why focusing the camera on this woman now?
I'm not supposed to be I'm
This way,
It's not supposed to be I'm speaking from
are you president?
I am.
Where you belong to?
I am press. I'm a journalist. I'm not here because I just came to record. I'm doing my job. My job.
Are we not supposed to come here with our Are we supposed to come and collect our results here? Hey, bring the woman, bring the EO.
We've done election. We've won clearly in about 15 states.
15 local governments.
15 local governments. I'm sorry, 15 local governments out of 18. When they found out, even after spending money, they were paying as much as 30,000 per voter. And don't people know what they want. And don't people know that they were tired with hardship and all those things. And they appreciate brains. I cannot impose the governor on them. They voted, and as well, Ighodalo won overwhelmingly by well over 70% of the total vote cast. Now, what did they do? Come down to Shomole, we tried the 3 years across, and then they went to start completely trying to cover up the gap. They went to Auchi now, they've been collecting, they have been able to force them to stop. Meanwhile, these people are busy interpreting. Some of them voted by passing the beavers, they didn't use the beavers. In my own local government, Ward 10, they went to the Ibadan communities and interpreted by passing the beavers. Why will INEC give us beavers as a means to affect us to vote? And at the end of the day, people are bypassing it, and INEC is accepting because of one Oshomole and its people. Now, if they know that there was no need for election, they didn't need to waste our time. Oshomole is a senator. They would have allowed President Tinubu to just announce and say, Mr. Okpewolo, you are now the governor of Edo State. Maybe Edo people will accept it that way. But this is democracy. And in democracy, it was Abraham Lincoln who defined democracy as the government of the people, by the people, for the people. It's different from dictatorship. It's different from any other kind of rulership. We are not slaves in this country. We are all free-born citizens of Nigeria, who, by the grace of God today, we also have the right to elect those to lead us. Now, in the local government, my local government, already those local governments that they know that Aswan swept 100%, you know what they did? The rule is very simple. You collect at your unit, then your ward, then your local government, then the state. When they found out that having collected at the unit and the ward, they couldn't manipulate nothing. Then they now, it was time to now collect at the local government. So now, deceptively asked them to move all the things to INEC headquarters. And we are wondering, this is not the rule. They didn't give no reason. When people came here, they took them in. What did they do? He wrecked himself that Wike sent here to do the kind of dirty job they did before in Rivers. When Labour Party won and we saw ballot papers that were cancelled and the figures were changed, the man came, asked them to come in here. When they got in, the PDP agents and the collation officers were not allowed to do their jobs. The wreck started collecting by himself using one Mrs. Anna. And they said the woman is the one who does all the dirty jobs for them at the INEC headquarters. She's APC, body, soul, and spirit. I used to think that election umpires have no political party. But from what they have said to me this evening, the woman is APC. She's the one that distributed money to people trying to see if they could change the thing. But the Edo people doesn't change. They couldn't subvert the wishes of the Edo people. What happened? They took all those things inside and they are trying to now, they are rewriting the results. They are doing the same thing. The Shomole and Philip Tabu, they are doing the same thing at Auchi, and people are resisting it. Therefore, when our agents, other agents come, you see them go inside there. Other agents, only the APC agents is with them, and they are rewriting the result. Mr. President Ahmed Bola Tinubu is the president of Nigeria. He is the president through democratic processes. He's not a military dictator. I don't think he's one of them. And I do not think that he intends to be one. Those people around him should not make him have the kind of figure that will spoil all the democratic values that we believe he had, because he was one of those that I know was in Nadek. Edo people are not slaves. We have the right to decide who governs us.
So it's fair to say that your party, you are going to launch a protest.
Of course, until as well Ighodalo's results are released and is declared the governor elect in Edo State, we will continue to protest, and they will have us to kill.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you. Yes, before you can remember is my name.
Yeah, Mr. President, I think it's okay now. You guys can learn.
Yeah,
Please. I think it's okay now.
Okay, that's fine.
Now, you can't say that the police are like, I beg you. Let's clear this thing.
Wait, don't worry.
If you want to go outside to go and like,
Chairman,
I'll give you water.
transformer to power electricity.
What is your monster video all of them?
Which person number?
If they take one raid Edo State forest, they will still be sick kidnappers.
No. They use.
Let us know that the military has taken over. Yes, man, let's know that the military has taken over. We all need to do it. We knew when the last military coup in this country took place. So if he wants the military, if he's tired of governing us as president, let him invite the military to take over if he's tired. This is not the way. This is democracy. We started participating in this democracy since 1999. Is this the idea of the democracy when Nigerians were happy that the military handed over to the civilians? The president was governor of Lagos State.
Oh, they do big.
Slave. You carry for head now.
Slave.
Surprising when I go police.
Now what front they do? Now what front they do? We get war for it. We get war for it, though.
Government money.
Zafara did there, terrorists. We get war for it, though.
Don't let them go. You can't
We get war. Now the mass coming, though. We get war. Are we fighting? Are we in crisis in it, though?
Political wars.
In the election we are doing.
Political talks are to follow people to do rubbish things. They will not go and fight and say people's lives.
Out of 10 or 5, 10, if you check yourself, if you check yourself, you go to your house.
Leave this place.
I beg, just respect yourself.
Respect yourself, go to your house. If you want to
Please
go to your house,
leave this gate.
you are not supposed to be here.
I beg,
Manners now. You are not supposed to be here. Angry. Hey! You are not supposed to be here.
Man, don't spoil am, man, don't spoil am. I'll break that phone.
Okay, I've ended it.
I'll break that phone.